It's probably the nicest day we've had this year. It's fairly warm, pretty calm wind, and the sun is out. So we're gonna get some flying in, I'm hoping. I've got 7 planes and no helis, but a few maidens to do. Hopefully we can get some video. The red, white, and blue plane was the Edge 540. It's 4S. I use a SMC 2900 high voltage, and got 3 flights with it. Had some camera issues, so I'm not sure how much of the flights I got on my forehead or on the tripod camera or even inside the cockpit, but I'll put all the video together and we'll see what we got.